In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tasks between sections in Todoist. If you've ever created a project in Todoist and later realized that some of your tasks would be better organized in different sections, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to go through a simple, reliable way to move your tasks, so your project stays clean, logical, and easy to manage. First, start by opening the project that contains the task you want to move. In Todoist, your projects are usually listed on the left-hand side, or in your main navigation area. Take a moment to click into the specific project where your task currently lives. You should now see all the tasks that belong to this project, grouped by their existing sections, such as To Do, In Progress, or any custom sections you've created. Next, locate the exact task you want to move. Hover your mouse over that task, or tap on it if you're on mobile, to reveal more options. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, usually referred to as the More Options menu. This is where Todoist hides a lot of useful controls for managing individual tasks. Click on the 3 dots next to that task. When you do this, a small menu will appear with several options related to editing or organizing your task. In this menu, look for the option labeled Move. This is the feature that allows you to change where your task lives inside Todoist. Go ahead and click on Move. After you select it, Todoist will show you options for where you want to move the task. Since you're staying within the same project, but just reorganizing sections, you will be presented with a list of sections available in that project. Now, simply select the section where you want this task to go. Take a second to think about the logical place for it. For example, you might move something from a general backlog section into This Week, or from Ideas into In Progress. Once you click or tap on the section name, Todoist will instantly move the task there. You should now see your task appear under the new section in your project. If it's not immediately visible, scroll through the sections to confirm it's in the right place. You can repeat this same process